Hi guys, this is Rahul and you're welcome to gomahamaya.com. In this beautiful tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Analytics account and how to add Google Analytics code inside your website. So for creating Google Analytics account, you need to have a Gmail login inside your browser. Once that is done, go to Google Analytics and click on Start Measuring. And here you need to write down your account name. I'm going to write down my website name, that is Go Mahamaya. And once that is done, scroll down. Next option we have is account data sharing setting. By default, what is the option Google has given is quite awesome. Select these and click on next. Then you need to enter your property name. So here you need to understand two things. Number one, Google Analytics allow you to create an account, and number two, Google Analytics allow you to create multiple properties inside the Google Analytics. One properties contain the data for one particular website. You can add multiple subdomains or subfolders in case if you want to track that particular domain. For more better explanation, I'm taking you to Google Analytics account. Inside that we have admin. Inside admin we have two parts. Number one is account and then we have property. So you can create accounts, and inside account you can have multiple properties, and each property represent a website. So you can choose by going to this one and you can add a number of properties and track their data. Similarly, we have account and then we have property setup. So we have to write down the name of the property. So I'm going to write down Go Mahamaya again. Once that is done, you need to select your country, reporting zone. I'm from India, so I'm going to choose it like India. And here you need to choose your time zone. Once that is correct, click on currency. And my currency is rupee, Indian rupee. Once that is done, click on next. And here you need to write down business information. Currently I'm having a small team, 1 to 10 members. And then how do you intend to measure Google Analytics with your business? They just want to take a feedback. So you can check any of these options. I'm going to choose other and I'll click on create. Here you need to accept the Google terms and condition. So check this and click on I accept. Once you accept the terms and condition, you'll land on the Google Analytics data stream. You can reach this option also from the front end also. Let's say I go to home, and inside home we have admin. Inside admin we have account that I shown you. Next option we have is data stream. And in case if you already have Google account and you want to create a new property, then you need to click on create property and add the website detail in same way that we taught you earlier. Now you need to enter your property name, that is Go Mahamaya, or your website name. I'm going to write down Go Mahamaya 1. You can change your reporting state, time zone, currency. Once that is done, click on next. And here you need to select the industry. Like you can choose anything, it's not going to affect your business. Choose the size of your business. Click on create. Now if you go back, you have option to choose between the property. Inside data stream you have three options: web, Android, iOS. Currently I'm going to talk about a web. So I'll click on that. Here you need to write down your website name. So my website name is gomahamaya.com. I'll enter my website name, and here stream name is like also Go Mahamaya. And this is some of the measuring events the Google already created for your campaigns or the analytics account, such as web page, scrolls, outbound click, site search, video engagement, file download, form interaction. In case if you want to uncheck any of the options, go to setting and say I don't want to track these things. Let's say you don't want to track outbound link. So you can say uncheck this and click on save. Currently I'm not recommended anything to uncheck. Click on create stream. Now once you click on that, inside data stream I'll again take you to the same page. Inside data stream you added your website. Inside website you will see view tag instruction. You can click on that, or you can click on view tag instruction. Click on that, and there you need to click on install manually. Copy the code, go to your Shopify store And once you are inside your Shopify store, click on online store, and inside that, once you are inside this, you need to go to a theme and click on this option, click on edit code, and here you need to find theme.liquid, and inside that theme.liquid you'll see something called held there. You need to paste this code below this one and you need to click on save. Now go back to your analytics and cancel this one and click on configure tag setting, and there you need to click on show all, and if you scroll down you'll see list unwanted referrals. Click on that, and here you need to filter out shopify.com, and one more we need to filter out, that is myshopify.com. Once that is done, click on save. Now you need to go back to your Shopify store again back, and here you need to go back, exit, and inside that we have to click on setting, and again we need to click on checkout, and you need to scroll it down until you find additional scripts. So here you need to paste your Google Analytics code. Once that is done, click on save and cancel this one. Now you are ready to go. I hope you find this video useful. If you did, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more further updates. Thank you.